Understanding selection sort.
The selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm used in programming. It works by dividing the list into a sorted and unsorted section. With each step, it finds the smallest element in the unsorted part and moves it to the end of the sorted part. The process repeats until the entire list is ordered, making selection sort easy to follow and implement.
How selection sort works step by step.
Starting from the first element, selection sort searches the remaining unsorted elements to find the smallest one. It then swaps this smallest value with the element at the current position. This continues for each position in the list, gradually building up a sorted section at the front until the whole list is sorted.
Pros of selection sort.
Selection sort is notable for its simplicity and ease of implementation. It does not require extra memory, as sorting is performed in place. The algorithm excels when working with small lists or when memory is very limited. Its predictable pattern also makes it useful for educational purposes and simple projects.
Cons of selection sort.
While selection sort is straightforward, it is not efficient for large data sets. The algorithm performs many comparisons and swaps, resulting in slow performance compared to more advanced sorting techniques. Its time complexity is O of n squared, making it impractical for big lists in real-world applications.
When to use selection sort.
The selection sort is best used with small or nearly sorted lists, or when memory usage must be minimized. It is an excellent teaching tool for understanding basic sorting concepts. However, for sorting large or complex data, other algorithms like quicksort or merge sort are usually preferred.